Another big day of progress is unfolding around the stadium, with today's update covering multiple active construction zones. From new lama support installations around the South Goal and Tribuna corners, to ongoing work on the compression ring, third-tier stairs, and interior areas, the project continues moving at full speed. Every section now shows visible progress, whether it's the facade system, structural work, or upper-level cantilevers. And with each visit, the stadium looks noticeably more complete than before. So let's get started and take a look behind the scenes at today's stadium progress. A major milestone has been achieved at the North Goal corner, where a previously partially completed section is now fully covered with ceramic lamas, giving the area a much more finished and clean appearance. The next adjacent section is already prepared with installed anchors, meaning lama installation can continue expanding very soon. At the same time, painting work is still ongoing behind the system, where crews are applying black coating to beams and bolts using rollers before the lower sections are fully closed, a necessary step already completed in other areas. Another important development comes from the third tier. New stair sections and concrete steps are now being installed across several zones, especially around the Tribuna side. This is clearly shaping the upper seating structure and bringing the stadium closer to its final bowl form. A crane has been actively lifting and positioning large stair elements while workers carefully align each piece into place, marking steady progress in the upper levels. High above the stadium, the compression ring continues advancing piece by piece, with new pillars and radial beams being prepared for installation, while lifting systems remain active around the upper ring. Several radial sections are already staged on the ground, ready for upcoming crane operations, showing the steady pace of assembly. As the structure grows, the compression ring is now gradually starting to define the future roof shape of the stadium, giving a clearer idea of how the final roofing system will take form. Around the South Goal corner, crews have started installing new vertical support structures for the ceramic lamas. These supports are directly fixed onto the black steel beams and will later carry the exterior facade panels. One thing that stands out is how closely the lamas will sit to the structure, leaving almost no gap between facade and frame. After weeks of slower activity, this sector is now clearly back in motion. Nearby, another key development is taking place as workers have officially begun installing new lama anchor systems. Elevated platforms remain active while crews carefully position and align these anchors on structural supports. This is a strong indication that more lama installation work could begin very soon around this section. Around the mobility core areas, preparation work continues steadily. Several support structures are already installed, while some connecting pieces are still missing in certain zones. This is mainly due to ongoing painting and finishing work behind the structure, where access is still required for beams and steel connections. In completed sections, both vertical and diagonal supports are already fully assembled, clearly showing how the final system will look. The lateral zone continues to be one of the busiest areas of the entire project. Elevated platforms are active across multiple levels. Crews are working near the parking entrance, and additional teams are operating around radial beam systems. New working platforms are constantly being brought in as the compression ring expands further. Everywhere, there is movement, machinery, and continuous construction activity. Today also brings rare interior views of the underground parking beneath the stadium, which is becoming one of the most important hidden parts of the project. This multi-level system will hold over 3,000 vehicles, including EV and motorcycle spaces. A massive upgrade compared to the old facility. Inside, crews continue installing ventilation systems, lighting, elevators, water pipelines, and technical infrastructure across the lower levels. In the corner section directly in front of us, this is the area I've been mentioning for days, where the lamas are now very close to installation. What stands out here is the precision and coordination as crews prepare everything before the facade phase begins. Workers are actively using guiding systems to align anchor points, while elevated platforms above the black panel zone are also in continuous operation, showing work across multiple levels of the structure. Right now, everything is being finely adjusted in a controlled way, so ceramic llamas can be installed very soon, likely within this week or early next. In this middle section of the Gol Norte, there is still ongoing preparation work, with sandwich panels already staged and ready for upcoming installation along the lateral areas. Several workers remain active on site, and we can clearly see a panel being handled and adjusted to fit into its final position with precision. Further along, elevated platforms are operating around the black structural beams and support systems, with connection work still in progress across different points of the structure. What stands out most is the close alignment between the support structure and the black beams, which will later create a tight and clean facade finish, especially compared to the Tribuna side. Let's take a look at this corner section. Work has already started in the far end, right next to the mobility core, where the stair structures and vertical supports for the llamas are being installed. Several supports are already in place, gradually extending the structure across the area, although a few final pieces are still missing towards the main pillar connection. Little by little, the corner is taking shape, and you can clearly see how the structure is starting to curve and drop as it moves towards the Gol Norte side. Nearby, a concrete pump is positioned on the left side, currently inactive but ready for upcoming work, while a platform lift is also operating in the area, showing continued activity across different levels. Moving to the Tribuna area, there is clear activity happening across different levels, with a platform lift currently working on the upper section around the black structural beams. Some elements in this zone were already installed earlier, but a few remaining connections are still being completed to fully support the llama system. Below, new steel material has been brought in again and is now being lifted towards the upper cantilever level using the crane, showing continued progress in this area. Across the section, different teams are active in multiple spots, while a few areas on the right side are still relatively quiet with no major changes in the support structure yet. Finally, we're now at the corner section, where we take a closer look at the ongoing progress across different levels of the structure. Several elevated platforms are still active around the beams, showing continuous movement throughout this area. One worker can be seen focused on welding and joining support connections for the llama system on the vertical structures, which are key elements for the upcoming facade. As we move the view slightly higher, more activity becomes visible across the first cantilever level, with work continuing in multiple sections of the corner. The upper part appears relatively quieter compared to the lower zones, where most of the structural work is currently concentrated. Another huge step forward for the stadium project. From the expanding ceramic facade system to the advancing compression ring and continuous movement across structural zones, progress is now visible almost everywhere. With new supports, anchors, panels, and structural elements appearing every week, the stadium is slowly revealing its final form. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned for the next one.